Have you ever thought about how simple, easy lifestyle changes can create a huge positive effect on your health? Let me give you some examples that will bring almost immediate health results that will cost to nothing. I start my day with taking apple cider vinegar, then I do my stretching exercises. I then try to get my morning walks, and it's good for our well being and relaxation. I do intermittent fasting so I don't eat breakfast. I drink decaffeinated green tea and water, and my first meal of the day is lunch at around 12 noon. I also enjoy being in our backyard, checking out our mini vegetable garden. It's a relaxing feeling just to be there, and you can hear and see the birds in the background. Harvesting the fruit of your labor is a wonderful reward. We're going to make fresh garden salad. Oh, okay, let's go to the kitchen. When COVID-19 pandemic spread around the world in 2020, our lives have changed. We lost some friends and family due to COVID-19. It's a very sad and scary situation. I've been one of those lucky employees that can work from home. Worrying about the pandemic and then working all day and not moving much affected my health. I started gaining weight and I also developed symptoms of gastritis. If you had gastritis in the past, you will know how painful it could be. And there's a long list of food that you cannot eat, as they cause stomach pains. The doctor prescribed several medications to take, and I took them, but later on my body started to get a bad reaction from those medications. I've always been eating a healthy diet, but I never enjoyed eating vegetables. All this led me to believe that I will need to change my diet and my lifestyle, and I did. I lost weight, and my gastritis is now cured. I'm able to eat normal food again. I'm now ready to eat lunch, and my first meal is this beautiful bowl of fresh salad with delicious simple dressing and these perfectly cooked eggs. I will teach you how to boil eggs, perfectly cooked and easy to peel on my future videos. For snacks, I make a delicious and nutritious smoothie. We have frozen blueberries and strawberries. I also add slices of papaya, apple, and banana, plus unsweetened almond milk. So good. Now let's make pancit. It's also called Filipino chow mein. I gather the ingredients that we have available in our refrigerator. It's a simple dish and easy to make. The snow peas are from our garden, and also the celery. You can plant celery all year long. The chicken thighs have been marinated overnight adobo style with soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, honey, pepper, and chopped fresh garlic. That dark part on the pan is flavorful goodness from the chicken. It's not burnt. If I'm cooking pancit for us at home, I only add a small amount of noodles, like 8 ounces. This way, we get to eat more vegetables. This is one way of motivating ourselves to eat healthier. If I'm cooking pancit for my friends and family, I add more noodles, and that's the normal way of making pancit. I spend a little bit of time in my presentation to make it look more appetizing. Yeah, I know, there's too much lemon slices again. And now it's dinner time, and I take apple cider vinegar again, 20 to 30 minutes before I eat dinner. Make sure that you rinse your mouth with drinking water after taking the apple cider vinegar to protect your teeth enamel from strong acid. And now, dinner time. I'm eating pancit with a side of rice. I know I'm guilty when it comes to rice, as what they say in the Philippines, rice is life. This is something I can't live without. And of course, we're accustomed to eating our meal using spoon and fork. Well, we can always have brown rice, but I like the flavor of white rice. Another dinner option is this delicious and hearty chicken noodle soup. This is protein pasta and is plant-based with a high amount of fiber and nutrients that are good for you. I also love eating seafood and it's always part of my diet, like salmon, of course. Very good for you. Steamed vegetables are also the best, especially cabbage, zucchini, cauliflower, broccoli, carrots, and Brussels sprouts. Here's one extra tip. Have you ever had that pain on the right side of your waist under the ribs? It could be your gallbladder or liver. This has something to do with digestion. I'm going to show you my little secret. Before I go to bed, I take 2 tablespoons of organic extra virgin olive oil. Do you know of anyone who would drink olive oil? I don't. I then take a warm almond milk after. This has been my saving grace. I used to have this pain, not anymore. Taking olive oil is like having an oil change and it's packed with so many health benefits. My wish is for my viewers and subscribers to feel and look healthy, happy and younger. It doesn't matter how many views I get from this video, as long as I'm able to make a difference in people's lives. It gives me joy. You mean so much to me. Your love and support inspire me, and I don't take anything for granted. Good night to everyone. God bless. Take care. Love you all so much.